Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable RCS chat on Android. We start by entering the Messages application. After that, we click on the user icon and then on Message Settings. Next, we enter RCS chats. Afterwards, we will see the option to turn on RCS chat active, so we will proceed to deactivate it. Finally, we confirm the deactivation action and we will have completed the process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.